In this video, I'll show you how to resize Canva template for free. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So I have this template and I want to convert this template to Instagram post. In order to do this, we need to get back to the Canva homepage. Then select the desired size. I want to create it for Instagram post, so I'll just select it. And now here we need to design the template manually, but don't worry, it is very easy process. So first of all, we need to put the color first. So get back to the old canvas, select the color, click on the background color option. Now click on the color, then we will get the color code. So hit Ctrl+C to copy the color code and paste that color code on our new canvas, just like this. Now we got the same color, so now we are going to copy the element. So for that, just hold your left click and copy all the elements just like this. Hit Ctrl+C to copy them, and now here we just need to hit Ctrl+V to paste all the elements. And once you get all of your elements, just select them with your mouse and resize them manually, just like this. Now I roughly resize all the elements and our new canvas is looking like the previous one, you can see. So that's how you can resize Canva template for free. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe me? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.